is a very nice skid loader. It's only showing 663 hours. We don't know if that's accurate or not. It could be. Everything runs and drives as far as we know. We haven't seen any leaks or problems on it. We're going to sell it as a pre-shop special, meaning that we haven't run it through our shop. Everything works, runs, drives as we know it to run. You can see it in the video, but as a pre-shop special, you get it at a specially low price. It does have a nice warm heated cab in there, so if you're looking to do some snow plowing, excellent machine there. Buy it with confidence. It seems to be in great shape.